Hi, welcome to week 9. So this week we're going to focus on professions still. We're going to look at professions in healthcare, but we're going to spend some time on the role of the HIM professional. This information I know was covered a little bit for you in your program orientation, but let's face it, at orientation there's a lot of information that gets thrown at you. So now that you're a few weeks into the program, we're going to learn about what is an HIM professional and our professional organization and network. The readings for this week are in your textbook for the course, Chapter 1, titled Health Information Management Profession. We're spending time here because we've had former students, when they do their graduate survey, they've shared that they wanted more of an overview of what the profession is and where it's going and the roles that you can achieve in it. So that's why we're spending some time. I know it's all very confusing because you're in a 2-year program and you're going to be graduating with a degree in health information technology. But to call yourself an RHIT, once you graduate, you actually have to write the national certification exam. And the only way you can write that exam is by graduating from an accredited 2-year program such as ours. So we're going to spend a little bit more time looking at that, and you'll be reading Chapter 1 and doing your other assignments on that. So then this will conclude week 9. So then next week, week 10, 11, and 12, we're going to be getting into financing of healthcare, which I think are the most interesting units in the course. Of course, I've always found that interesting and just how everything goes together, but it's really going to tie into your future classes. So this week, week 9, is fairly low-key and not very difficult. So enjoy your break because next week we really have got a lot to cover. Talk to you later. Bye.